Hey, and welcome back to ABC Tech Talks. I'm Matt from the R&D team. Today we'll be demonstrating how to install our nano-sized Ultra Flake system and avoid any uneven and patchy application. Nano Flake is our smallest size flake within our Ultra Flake range. A common misconception is that all of our Ultra Flake sizes will be installed in the same way. Whilst yes, the application process for small, large, and jumbo sizes are similar, the Nano Flake being so small means that it is more delicate to work with. Because of this, it requires that bit of extra care. Installing Nano Flake is actually most similar to our Hyper Flake system. So let's walk through it. Starting off with a good prime coat, a spread rate of 5 to 6 square meters per liter, which is the same as most of our systems, ensures the best start to our nano-sized Ultra Flake system. Moving on to the base coat, a heavy base coat can swallow the flake and result in a patchy finish. So we want to follow the prime coat up with an even but thinner base coat of 6 to 7 square meters per liter. Next up, it's time to broadcast the flake. Nano Flake is small enough where it may soak into the coat while curing. So a great tip is to broadcast to rejection or broadcast until you can't see any of the base coat. Often having an extra flake is handy to ensure that you'll have enough. Once the base coat has cured, you're ready to start brooming and top coating. We recommend using a broom instead of a scraper as it helps hide any of the patchy or unevenness that may still be there. The two top coats can be applied as normal, depending on which finish you are hoping to achieve. For this example, we went with Essential Finish, which was 2 coats of our Sparta 60. Your first entrapment coat may look a little dry, as long as the Sparta 60 is applied evenly and there are no shiny and dull spots, the final top coat will finish off the system. And there you have it. By following these few tips, you should have a great looking end result. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.